Well, look what came in today. Got our first Df03 Winter's Evening bearing kit. I believe this is the first one they've put out, so there'll be a link in the description. These are the high-end ones, not the rubber sealed blue. These are your standard. You know, they're around $20 a set, $25 a set, I think, maybe 30, but these are up around $75, $80. Great price for what they are. I'm not sure we're gonna do the gear bearings in this video, but we're gonna definitely get the wheel bearings on and get those swapped out quick. We're still waiting on gears, so I want to look at the shipping and make that decision in a minute. Hopefully you guys dig. Make sure you use the Winter's Evening Right Place. If you go to their website, you use Right Place as your coupon code and get a discount. All right, I'll see you in a minute.
Alright guys, we're going to get a rainy day run. We closed up shop early at the yard sale. So, you see we got 2 cars out. Hopefully I'll get them both running for you guys. I put in, this will be part of the run video for the new bearings we got from Winter's Evening. We put in the wheel bearings, but all the rest are the standards. And I did have some issues with, I had to tinker with my pinion a little bit there, but hopefully you're seeing what I'm seeing and my video is not too bad. But it's gonna be wet, but I don't really care. I'm down to have some fun, and I left that off just because. And I brought tools down, Malcolm. So pinions and everything. So ooh, now I was impressed immediately with the smoothness going from the standard Tamiya bearings to the ceramics. Tomorrow, oh, that's reversed. So tomorrow, we should have the gears in. See, I knew that was going to happen. We should have the gears in, and we'll do a part 2 of this video. That came right off. Where the heck did it go? Oh, it's a good thing I brought some spare pinions out. That's crazy. Oh, found it. Again, hex nut. I think I wore down the one that I stole from Lauren. So we'll put this back on real quick and I'll be right here. Let's try this again. That sounds so nice. a little tight, but that's okay. That's what she said. This is running with our Genix 3S. Come off again, come off again. Ha! You guys see that toad? That's cool. Mr. Toad. Alright, I'll run a light real quick. Won't hit no jumps for a minute. Running good though. Not the best conditions, breaking some ceramic bearings, and I am having some pinion issues, but I wanted to oh well, it was worth it. Hopefully the MN run will be a little better than this one, but it's a little clip. They run good. We'll get the other ones on them for part 2. I'll see you when I see you.